This is People's Investment TV show from Master BB World Big Show. And my name is Believer Dapokojeje, aka Master B, the coordinator of People's Investment TV. Last week I was talking about how people burgle people's shops and break into their shops, collecting their thing. This thing becoming of happening time without number, occurring every day by day. So we have one of our own here, brother, same compound. It actually happened to him, how they break his shop. We're going to be interviewing him, we're going to be hearing from him and the experience. Brother, can you tell us your name?
My name is Godwin. I live in State.
Okay. What really happened? Can you tell us your experience about getting into your shop?
I don't really have much to say, but all I have to say is just that when I lock the